Hello there and a warm welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about finances, how you can make extra monies. Please stay tuned to hear what we have in store for you. A warm welcome again to my channel. I am Banjamba and thank you for joining in. To those that have subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you're new here, welcome to the community and please consider to subscribe. Yeah. And remember to hit the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. So today we are looking at teaching English online as a way of making extra monies. I just want to clarify two terminologies that are associated with this kind of a job. And that is non-native English-speaking country versus native English-speaking country. If you take, for example, a country like South Africa, it is regarded as a native English-speaking country. But if we take Botswana, it is regarded as a non-native English-speaking country. It is for this reason that if you are from a non-native English-speaking country, you are required, as not a must, but it places you at a vantage ground if you have a TEFL certificate. Don't be alarmed by the need of a certificate because there are different companies that offer such courses. I've had the privilege of doing this course in two different companies. That is the World TESOL Academy as well as the Allison course. Now the Allison course was an introductory to TESOL TEFL. By the way, TESOL is teaching English to speakers of other languages and TEFL is teaching English as a foreign language. So the Allison course was an introductory. It wasn't an in-depth course, and it's roughly 5 to 6 hours. Then you're done. Then you have the World TESOL Academy. It is 120 hours. That is simply 2 weeks. But if you mean business, you can actually accomplish it before the 2 weeks mark. And the World TESOL Academy course, it is broad and it's more elaborate as compared to the Allison course. And it is offered at $34, while the Allison course is offered as, I think it's roughly more than $12. So if you were to ask me value for your money, I'll go for the World TESOL Academy. And by the way, I do have an affiliate link in the description box down below. Yeah. And yes, you can use the link to apply. Yeah. So once you have done applying, what should you do? Okay. So you go to this web address here. Yes. And then create your profile. So once you have created a profile, you might be required to have an introductory video. An introductory video, you're simply marketing yourself to your potential clients, in this case, your students, right? So you just tell them your name and what you do and probably even the experience that you have in teaching. But the issue of experience shouldn't scare you because even if you don't have experience, you can still apply because lesson guides are provided for you. So once you've done an introductory video, by the way, you can, I think there is an introductory video in the website that I just gave you. But if not, Google introductory video on teaching English in YouTube. There are plenty of them and just customize them for yourself. So once you have loaded your profile, what the company does, which I think, not I think, which is good, is that when there are vacancies, they do notify you to apply. And when you apply, you might be required to upload again an introductory video. And there are checks that are done, such as they will check the audio, whether it's audible enough. They will check your internet speed. Now, the internet speed, the different schools will require different internet speeds. What I found to be useful for me is the use of, that's if you're in Botswana, using orange flybots. By the way, I'm just saying it, I'm not promoting it, I'm just sharing information. Yes, because the speed is good. The download and upload speed is good with orange flybox. And as for the microphones, you can check them in any shop that sells computers. You're likely to find them there, yes. And yeah, yeah. So I forgot. Yes. And lastly, but not the least, is how much you can make in teaching English online. At the time of this recording, Cambly is hiring, and their rate is $10 to $12 per an hour, and that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money because you are paid given the hours that you put into it. It's flexible. If you want to work more hours, longer hours, you get more money. If you want to work fewer hours, obviously you get less money, but it is flexible. You can work anytime, even at night, you can work. So yes, that is what is required for you to begin your application. That is, you need to upload your profile in the website that I shared, and then have an introductory video, and just make sure that the speed of internet is good. And the audio, your headsets should be clean enough for the student to hear you, and for you as well to be able to hear the student. Yeah. Otherwise, all the best in your application. Hey, have you been watching and you haven't subscribed? Please remember to subscribe. We want to grow the community. Our target is still 1,000 subscribers. Yay! So if you are successful, please remember to comment in the comment section here, so that we are encouraged to make content like this one. Otherwise, see you in my next video.